Welcome to NeoEnglish, the English learning podcast for real conversations about real news.
Hello, everyone. If you're just starting to learn English, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to talk about a health news story from the U.S. about measles in Virginia.
Don't worry if you've never heard of measles. We'll explain everything step by step. And remember, our goal is to help you speak English more confidently every day.
All right, first, here's the big news. Virginia health officials confirmed the first measles case in 2025.
That's right. Measles is a serious disease, and this is the first case reported this year in the state of Virginia.
Let's break that down. What are health officials? That just means the people who work for the government to protect your health, like doctors and nurses who work for the Virginia Department of Health.
And confirmed means they are sure. So they are sure someone has measles.
If you hear health officials confirm, it means the experts checked and agree something is true. Like, health officials confirmed the flu outbreak in the city. The doctor confirmed, I only had allergies.
Now, let's talk about measles. Measles is a very contagious disease. That means it spreads easily from one person to another.
Yes, and it can be dangerous, especially for children. If someone has measles, they usually get a fever, a cough, and a red rash on the skin.
A rash means red spots or bumps on your skin, so they might look sick and feel tired.
The good thing is there's a vaccine. That means a shot that protects us from getting sick.
Most people get the measles vaccine when they are children. That helps stop the disease from spreading.
In the news report, the Virginia Department of Health says they are working to tell everyone who may have been near the person with measles.
That's called contact tracing. It means they try to find anyone who is close to the sick person, near them in the same place and time, and let those people know.
For example, the health department traced all people who were in the store when the patient was there. Contact tracing helps stop the spread of the virus.
Okay, so let's summarize the story using simple English.
Yes. Here's the story again in a clear and simple way. Health officials in Virginia said that someone in the state got measles. It's the first case in 2025. Measles is a disease that spreads easily. It gives people a fever, a bad cough, and red spots on the body. Most people get a vaccine to stop measles. The health department is trying to find people who are close to the sick person. That way, they can stop others from getting sick.
Well done. Now, let's review the important vocabulary and phrases from today.
First, health officials, people who work for the government to keep us healthy.
Second, confirm, to say something is true. Example, the lab confirmed I had the flu.
Third, measles, a sickness that spreads easily and gives people a rash and fever.
Fourth, rash, red bumps or spots on your skin. It's a sign of many illnesses.
Fifth, vaccine, a shot that protects you from a disease. For example, the vaccine protects me from getting sick. Children get vaccines at school.
And the last one, contact tracing, finding and warning people who are close to someone who is sick.
That was a lot, but now you know more English and more about a real news story.
And because this is a big health story, you might hear these words on TV or in other news articles too.
If this podcast helped you learn something new, you can share it with your friends who are also learning English.
Keep listening to NeoEnglish, where learning English means understanding the world. See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Stay healthy and keep practicing your English.